Hello everyone, this is Shushmita. Today I want to talk about my visit experience, the Bangladesh National Zoo. I visited the zoo on 5 March. I went there with my friends. It was my first time visiting this place. I know that this place is very famous in Bangladesh. When I entered the zoo, I saw different kinds of birds, animals. For example, I saw monkeys, lions, tigers, and snakes, and some other kind of animals. It was very interesting to see them. Many people are walking around and taking pictures and taking videos. But I noticed some problem. There are not many kind of animals. Some cases looked old and very weak. I also feel that some the animals are may not get enough foods and enough take care. For this reason, some animals are looked weak and unhealthy. In my opinion, we also know that animals are very important of our nature and environment. If the animals are good and healthy and happy, then visitors enjoy the zoo more. In my opinion, the authority should improve the condition as soon as because they also give the animals good foods and enough clean place to live and proper medical care. In my opinion, visiting zoo was very interesting experience for me. I learned that we also protect animals. Thank you for listening to me.